Now turn up.
Ladies and gentlemen, I went out and found Bud Light Platzers.
What?
Bud Light Platinum Seltzer. We have wild berry. We have citrus. We have what I believe is going to be my favorite. A little blood orange. 8%. Never had them before. Never even seen them before. So, what I'm going to do, take the trusty shotgun tool. You can go check the link below. I have a link for it. Buy it. It comes in a 2-pack. It's very worth it. So let's start with the citrus. Camera lady Jen.
What's up?
Would you like to try?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
Oh. Cheers. Oh, that's cold. Oh, you taste it. Oh, you taste the alcohol.
Did it taste good?
No, I can't say it did.
Okay.
Wild berry. Ugh. Don't spit, guys. It's Rona season. Becoming a pro at this. Once again, check the link below. Get yourself one. You can be an alcoholic like me. Professional alcoholic. Oh. Oh God, that one's even worse.
What was that one?
That was wild berry.
Oh.
Tastes like wild butt and Robitussin. Wild butt and Robitussin. It's very carbonated and gross. Blood orange. I'm hoping this one's gonna save the pack because I still have one of each left in the fridge.
Okay.
I'll save them for
Me.
for camera woman Jen.
Not shotgunning.
She said she'd shotgun a beer on Saturday
Saturday.
at like 6 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yes.
Our kid's still awake at 6 o'clock in the afternoon.
And then I changed it to 8.
Then she changed it to 8. And then I changed it to she's not gonna do it. Once again, Amazon, 2-pack, professional alcoholic. Get you one. Blood orange. Here we go.
How's that one?
Okay, so.
Does it taste like a mimosa?
No.
No. Too bloody.
So, a quick review. None of them were good. 8% alcohol, you taste every bit. I'm gonna give those titties 4 thumbs down.
I wish I had more hands so I could give those titties 4 thumbs down.
Whose titties are you talking about on camera?
Give them a 3.8. Final score, brew review. Quick, unplanned episode. The Send edition. Shotgun edition. Buy one. Link in the description. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. I'm very full right now. Hit the subscribe, like, comment.
Drop top and I'm rolling, and I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning. Feeling like I'm 2-3, cause you know I'm zoning. Shawty got a